So let's see here. Okay, like all that, study abroad. Okay, the study abroad stuff, you're certainly welcome to put it on there. But typically study abroad, it's not something that always gets law firms excited. It's just shows you had the money to travel internationally and go learn somewhere else. And it's not necessarily that great. Public service award is probably good. I think that magna cum laude would go first. That's really the most important thing. And then some of these this other stuff like the legislative and policy analyst clinic, these are okay. And they're not great, but this is fine. Okay, I like all this. And again, this volunteer stuff. And again, I think this volunteering stuff's great. I'm not putting it down at all. And I certainly spend time on my free time volunteering. And there's actually a great site called Volunteer Match where you can go find things to do, whether or not you want to work in a hospice or help kids and things. These are all good, but you don't want to detract too much from the message of that you're a good worker for a law firm. So this person worked in a medical malpractice firm, and this is a great resume, and you've got an offer. If you want to work in a medical malpractice firm your next summer, when you graduate, then you can. If you don't, I would just take off that you worked in the medical malpractice group. With your performance in law school, with your having gone to Berkeley and everything, and everything else that's going on here, you should have no problem getting a good job. One of the things I like about this resume is that everything is very short. So you can see here that this person has done just small one-line descriptions of what they did in the summers and so forth, and then their jobs. They don't go into a lot of detail about it, and that's good. And the job of an attorney is to be very direct and to communicate things in a way that doesn't confuse people and makes it very easy for people to understand what's going on. And so that is great. So this is a good resume. This person will get jobs. Compared to this resume, by the way, it's just difficult to understand because it's like Mexico and all these different things. And then this resume, you can see here where you have all these lines of things describing the experience. And ironically, and I'm not trying to be rude here, this person did okay in school, but this person again is, magna cum laude and so forth. And the way that they're the best students and the best lawyers are able to communicate succinctly and directly, especially with their resumes. And you can see here also my nothing's lighting up. Nothing in terms of my grant, but nothing's lighting up on this resume. So this is a good resume. There's nothing really that this needs. I like this person, or GED tutor. A lot of times people there's nothing on here that shows you anything about this person's politics or anything. This is who they are. And this makes it look like this person could show up at your firm and do the job well, and be managed and all that sort of thing. So that's good. Okay, let's see. Always state university, minor in criminal justice. This is not a legal resume. I apologize.